How to redeem gift cards on Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily redeem gift cards on the Binance application. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to its channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest contents. Let's begin. First thing you need to open up is your Binance application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you open up your Binance, all you need to do is on the top left, you will see a little Binance logo. Just tap on it, which will take you to your profile. Now, once you get to your profile section, so from here at the bottom of your screen, you will see more services. So just tap on it. And if you scroll down on under gifts and campaign, you will find different options. You just have to tap on the gift card section. It will redirect you to the gift card page on Binance. Just wait for it to load. And once you get here, tap on OK. And if you want to enter your gift card, you just have to tap on redeem to crypto. So here you have an option to enter your redemption code, which will be of 16-digit character, including letters and numbers. So just make sure to enter your gift code, which you will find on the back side of your gift card and redeem your code. Once you do that, you can just tap on redeem like this. And if your code is valid, you should be able to redeem your gift card. And it will be added to your account balance on your account and you can enjoy its features. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.